Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all well, happy and healthy. This is Rounak and you are watching Rounak Banerjee YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about how I practice writing to improve my spoken English. I generally practice writing at the time of reading because I read self-help book, so I make note from them. It's not only help me to practice writing but also help me to make note about the summary that I read, and trust me, it helped me a lot to improve my spoken English vocabulary and sentence making ability. So if you want to improve your spoken English and vocabulary, then practice writing as well. You should practice writing at least 10 to 15 minutes in a day. In the next video, I will discuss listening practice to improve spoken English. Until then, stay happy, healthy, and bye.